How to change your theme on Facebook Lite. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to change your theme for Facebook from light mode to dark mode or from dark mode to light mode, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. Now remember, this is for light, but the process for choosing it in light mode in Facebook Lite or Facebook is the same. So what you're gonna do is in the top right corner of your screen, you can see three bar option. Open it, then scroll to the bottom of the page, and then go to the option which says settings and privacy. Then go to over here. You can see the option which says dark mode. If you click on it, there you go. You have successfully turned your Facebook Lite into dark mode. So again, if you click on it again, by the same process, it will change to light mode. So this is how you can change your Facebook Lite from dark mode to light mode or from light mode to dark mode. So this is it for today. Hope you liked the video and see you in the next video.